Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you about the SEC paper of Delhi University, that is the Skill Enhancement course papers which have no theory exam rather than practical. I have divided the papers into 4 parts because there are roughly 81 papers without theory exam. Now I am going to start with the paper named Introduction to Arabic Calligraphy. Next is Beginner Course to Calligraphy, Communication in Everyday Life, Communication in Professional Life, Creative Writing, Public Speaking in English Language and Leadership, Rangmans, Patkatha Lekhan, Biofertilizer, Organic Farming, Hydroponic and Aeroponic Farming, Horticulture, Floriculture, Green Belt and Development for Smart Cities, Nursery Gardening and Landscaping, Mushroom Culture and Technology part on Plant Aromatics and Perfumery, Mushroom Culture and Technology part 2, Lab Testing and Quality Assurance, Lab Operation and Safety Measures, Basic Analytical Techniques, Chemistry of Cosmetics and Hygiene Products, Green Methods in Chemistry, Developing Sustainability Plans for a Business, Prospecting US for Sustainability, Environment Impact and Risk Assessment, Viewing and Capturing Diversity in Nature, Sustainably Reporting, Environmental Auditing, CAT for Fashion, Visual Communication and Photography, Healthy and Sustainable Food Choices, Early Child Care and Education Settings, Image Styling, Content Development and Media for Children, Small Scale Catering, Dairy Processing, Fruits and Vegetable Processing, Food Waste and Byproduct Utilization. Agriculture, next is formulation of fish feed, then fish breeding and larviculture, next is ornamental fish culture, opportunity and scope. The next paper is Biofloc Technology, Aquaculture and Entrepreneurship, Pearl Culture, Advanced Spreadsheet Tools, Analytics and Computing with Python, App Development using Flutter, Back-end Web Development, Basic IT Tools, Big Data Analytics, Essential of Python, Front-end Web Design and Development, Introduction to Blockchain, Introduction to Cloud Computing, Programming with Python. Next is Document Preparation and Presentation Software and R Programming for Business Analysis. It is the last part of SEC paper without theory exam of Delhi University. I am starting with the paper named Negotiation and Leadership, then PCB Designing and Fabrication. Next paper is Electronic Product Testing, Bioinoculants for Agriculture and Sustainable Development. Next paper is Business Intelligence and Data Visualization. Next, Digital Marketing, Financial Database and Analysis Software, Statistical Software Package. Next, Statistical with R, then IT Skill and Data Analysis Part 1, then Design Thinking. Next, Innovation and Entrepreneurship, IT Skill and Data Analysis Part 2, and then the Sericulture Part 1, that is Mulberry Silkworm Farming. Next is Sericulture Part 2, that is Airy Silkworm Rearing. Next, Sericulture Part 3, that is Silk Technology. Next is Sericulture Part 4, that is Application of Sericulture in Therapeutic and Cosmetic Industry. And the next paper is E-Tourism, and then Sustainable Ecotourism and Entrepreneurship. Next, Digital Film Production, and the last paper is Graphic Designing and Animation.